Hello my friends, it's been a while. It's February 20th, 2021, 3:30 in the afternoon, and it got up to about +5, really sunny day. Had some water leaking out. Dripped down from the ice on top, no doubt. It's a little worrisome because it is going to dip below zero tonight, as long as it's along the sides. And I do have the hive tilted. But it was warm enough today, and first time in months, my bees got out for a cleansing flight. Some of them didn't make it back in. That's alright. But all these brown little splotches, I don't know how I see how well they show up on the camera. It's all bee poop. I wasn't here an hour ago. I was out here checking. I didn't see anything. Because I will see dead bees pretty often in the snow as they come out. But the birds also see them and they come down to eat them. So when I was out here earlier, there wasn't even one. And now there's a few, which is a good sign. My bees are alive. And the weather's warming up. So I'm going to slip a sugar brick in here probably tomorrow. It should warm up +8 degrees Celsius, maybe 10 degrees Celsius. So should be warm enough just to open the lid. And I have insulated bags of wood shavings in there. I can just lift it up and put the brick underneath one of those without disturbing the whole area or letting out too much heat, I hope. I can visually check where this moisture is coming from also. Maybe remove the anything on the top there. Any ice that's left maybe. I doubt there would be any now though. It's pretty warm inside that box. But yeah, just a little quick look. February 20th, 2021. My bees made it through the deep freeze polar vortex of the -35 degrees Celsius, at least at night. And no warmer than like -25 degrees Celsius during the day. And then with the wind chills, you can add another or subtract another 10 degrees. So really it was like -35 during the day and colder than -40, well, 45 at night. So it's good to see all the bees came out to have a little flight and poop everywhere. And hopefully some of them are still in there alive. I'll give them some food maybe in the next couple days whenever it's warm enough and not raining or something. You might get rain, even though we got snow everywhere. But yeah, I just thought it was interesting. That's what it looks like. Bee sign. Bee poop everywhere. Alright. So I don't know how healthy looking that is or nothing, but there's none on the landing board, so they're not out of control. Dysentery or something. I think this is probably pretty normal. Looks normal to me. But what do I know, right? As long as they're alive, I'm happy. Give them some sugar just in case, emergency feed for the spring. But we got lots of trees around here, and some open field just across behind me that's been left fallow for a couple of years. So there should be lots of weeds and stuff coming out soon. The trees will provide a source of food soon. But yeah, here's my garden. The beds are 16 inches high, so the snow almost reaches up to them from the ground, and there's probably 8-10 inches on top. So it'll be a while before I'd be out here with any plants, but I will be out here soon making sure I got netting over my strawberries. My haskaps are protected. But yeah, just a little look. February 20th, like I said, my bees are still alive. My trees haven't been eaten by porcupines or deer or nothing. Got my apple tree row there is fine. And the garden's all sitting under a nice insulated blanket of snow. And then of course we have my helper here. Alright my friends, that's enough for now, but I'll talk to you later, and I hope you have a great day wherever you are, whenever you watch this. Peace.